is reporting former basketball star Kobe Bryant has been killed in a helicopter crash that has just come through. It is shocking indeed. We're getting some more information as they come to hand. It's believed the private helicopter crashed in California. So that has just come through into the newsroom. So obviously we're trying to get some more details on that, but it is just absolutely shocking. It is just broken out of the US there. So former basketball star Kobe Bryant reportedly killed in it.